you're looking so fly, I can't deny that when I'm staring you down and dead in the eye.
The snowboarder's push-off from his starting point causes a downhill movement to accelerate positively.
Second law. The acceleration of the object is directly proportional to the unbalanced force acting on it, and inversely proportional to the object's mass. The direction of the acceleration is the same as the direction of the unbalanced force.
When in the air, he becomes a projectile. The path that he travels is called his trajectory, and the shape he makes is called a parabola.
By looking at this example, we see that Newton's first law of motion is an unbalanced force causing the ball to start moving down the track. We see that the ball does not become a projectile because the ball's momentum was not large enough. The momentum in mass times velocity. This differs from the snowboarder because the snowboarder exerts the force causing his larger mass and larger velocity to speed him up, making him a projectile.
Friction is a main part of a snowboarder's speed. Newton's second law, the acceleration of the object is directly proportional to the unbalanced force acting on it and inversely proportional to the object's mass. The direction of the acceleration is the same as the direction of the unbalanced force.
Friction plays a main role in any object in motion. For example, this skateboard has a higher mu, force of friction, divided by perpendicular force exerted by the surface on the object, also called the coefficient of friction, than a snowboarder's board has while on the halfpipe. The snowboarder's low mu between the snow and his board causes him to go faster.
He is accelerating negatively. Negative acceleration is losing speed while in motion.
Whenever a force is applied to an object over a distance, work is done. Work equals force times distance. Work equals force times distance. So the snowboarder was applying a force of 20 N over a distance of 10 N. The equation would be 20 times 10 equals 200. The work he was doing was 200 joules.
You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. No boy. 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 You're a jerk. 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 Jerky. Jerk. 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 Jerky. Jerk. 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 Jerky. Jerk. 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 Jerky.
I'm so cocky with it. Check my ice shut, clothes like Rocky. Got your girl on my swag, she loving them jerking songs like a new iPod. Just